Into the arrest on suspicion of conspiracy to supply Class A and B and for money laundering. Okay.
I'm Superintendent John Bocock, currently the Eastern Division Superintendent in local policing, and I'm here today to talk to you about Operation Lardy. Operation Lardy has been an ongoing operation for the last 6 months in the eastern area of the force, centring around Cefn and surrounding localities. It's an investigation into the supply of Class A and B drugs and also money laundering. During the operation, we've recovered significant quantities of cash, drugs and weapons. We've made a significant number of arrests, and I'm really pleased that people have started appearing at court over the last week charged with significant offences. Drug supply causes misery to our communities. It causes hardship, it causes fear, and of course brings a culture of violence, which is an absolute priority for North Wales Police to tackle. I can't thank the public enough for information they've supplied, which has fed into the operation, and also our colleagues in the ROCU, in the Regional Organised Crime Unit and the National Crime Agency who helped and supported the operation. Most of all though, I'd like to thank the officers of the Eastern PCT, the Priority Crime Team, and local police and officers right across the force, as well as everyone else who's played a part in this operation.